I have another topic for you guys. Constants. What does it mean? You have a variable, and the problem with the variable is that you can change it anytime. So for example, if you have a first name and I will store there David, for example, so it's possible to write the first name again and store there another value, correct? So if I will print the first name, I will print Harry. I will run it. Come on, I will run it. You can see Harry. For the clarity, one more time, you can see Harry, okay? Because in the first name there was a David at first. After that we delete David from the first name, store there Harry in the first name, and we print the first name. So it's logical that in the first name there is a Harry, okay? But now I would like to say to another programmers, please don't change it. Please don't change the first name. So how you can say it? Maybe you remember from the math lectures that there is something like pi, number pi. Do you remember? It goes like 3.14, correct? So, and I will print the pi. Of course, it works like we expected, 3.14. Okay, but now it's impossible that the pi would be, for example, 5, correct? It's impossible, because pi is always 3.14. So now it's 5, and I want to say to another programmer, please don't change my pi variable. So how I can say that? I can say that by big letters. So if you write a variable and there will be every letter a big letter, so it means it's information for you in the future and for the another programmers. Please don't change my variable pi. But technically you can change it. It's possible to change it, of course, because it's normal variable. If I will do something like this, pi will be still 5. I will run it. You can see pi is number 5. Okay, so technically you can change it. It's possible to change it. But if it's in big letters, it means please don't change this variable. It's a constant. Okay, never change it. Okay, so it's only for information for you in the future, because it's possible that you can you go back to your code in 6 months and you don't know what is constant, what it isn't, what you can change, what you can't. So this is information for you and for another programmers that they shouldn't change your code. Okay, that you shouldn't change the value of this variable. So, for example, if you will work with some URL in your code and you know the URL will be still the same, so again, you can write it like this. For example, mywebsite.com, something like that. But this means please don't change it. Again, technically, you can change it, of course, if you want. Okay, but it means please don't do that. Okay, so again we have URL like a constant. So it means in Python there is no constant, there is no function like that. Okay, but if you write the variable with the big letters, it means please don't change it, and it's an information for you in the future and for another programmers.